Lily Stolzberg. We're here at Uncle Giuseppe's Marketplace with my good friend Vinny. And something really cool is about to go down. Tell us what we're doing.
This is a family fun recipe. This is stuffed garlic knots. This is a 24-ounce pizza dough. This is how you make a regular pie. We're gonna stretch it a little bit. Even cuts. You wanna have even-sized garlic knots. I use 3 fingers.
Okay.
We're gonna go around, tuck it in, pull it out, and we got a knot. High heat oven. 450, 500. This is gonna take like 7-8 minutes to cook. You need a big mixing bowl.
All right.
All right, you need chopped garlic. So probably about a 1/4 cup there, and then fresh chopped parsley. And then we like to use extra virgin olive oil. The oil is gonna extract the flavors of the garlic and the parsley. Hot knots going in. We drop them right in the oil, and then Peppy and Toby would say, toss them good. Now we're just gonna get some nice slices of fresh mozzarella here. Okay, now we got some chicken cutlets here. Now we're ready to build. We're gonna just cut open 12 knots right now. So while Lily is confidently placing vodka sauce on the garlic knots, I am gonna drop the chicken cutlets down. Now we're gonna hit it with some cheese, drop some pepperoni on the top. These are going into a very hot oven. Look at those.
That's ridiculous. If you want to try this, head to our website, news12.com. I have a feeling you're going to be making this because I know I am. Thanks, Vin.
My pleasure as always.